Hello everyone, welcome back to the Software Testing by Guruji YouTube channel. So from today's onward, we are going to start manual testing full course. So today is the first session of software testing. So as a part of this video, we are going to understand what is software testing and why it is important. And also we are going to understand a few real-time examples. So without wasting time, let's start. So first question, we will understand what is software and what is testing. So software is a set of instruction, data, program or code used to execute specific tasks on computers or mobiles. So we can say if the hardware is the body, then the software is the mind. Software will give the instruction to the hardware and accordingly hardware will work. So there are different types of the software. First, system software, that is Windows, Linux, Android. Then second, application software, Chrome, Microsoft Word, WhatsApp. These are the application software. Then third, web application. So Amazon, Gmail, Facebook, whatever URLs we are using on the web, that comes under the web application. Then fourth, mobile application. Whatever we are installing inside the mobile, that comes under the mobile application, that is Paytm, PhonePe, Swiggy, and so on. This is all about software. Then next is testing. So what is testing? Testing means checking something to confirm it is correct and working properly. So now we will understand what is software testing. Software testing is the process of checking correctness and completeness of the software with respect to requirements. So here correctness means does it work as expected? Completeness means are all requirements met, and quality is the user experience smooth and bug free. So by using software testing, we are verifying we completed all the requirements as well as that's requirements working as expected, and when user is using our application, then it's smooth and bug free. So we can say that testing is not just about finding bugs, it's about providing confidence to the stakeholders that the software is ready for the world. Then next, why is testing required? So first is to find defects, bugs before end user or customer find them. If end user or customer find them, they will not feel as this is the good application. Second, to make sure software work as expected. Here we will match the requirement. If all the requirements are matching, then we will check all the requirements are working as expected or not. Then third, to avoid failures in production. We will do the testing before production only, and here we will check our application is working fine or not. When we are providing the inputs to our application, then expected outputs our application is giving or not, that we are checking. Then fourth, to ensure the software is reliable, fast, easy to use, and high quality. Then fifth, a bug-free products build trust and protect the company's image in the market. If our application working properly and smooth, then end user definitely prefer our application and they will use it. Then six, to save money and time by fixing bugs early, preventing the loss of customers and revenue. If our application is buggy, then definitely end users will not use our application. They will use any another application that makes impact on our company revenue. Then next one, to provide a smooth, glitch-free experience that keeps user happy and loyal. This is all about why testing is required. Then next, we will see real-time example for the banking and insurance domain. First, we will see the banking app. Here, user want to pay the bill to a shop using UPI. So what exactly we will test here? Payment succeeds, transaction status shows as success. So transaction status we can check by using the manual, API, database and automation. Then second, money deducted, correct amount is deducted or not, that we are checking. Then next, transaction ID generated, proper transaction ID is generated or not, we are checking. Merchant received money, that also we have to check. User received message. Then if payments fails, money deduction should not happen. If network lost during payment, status should show pending fail correctly. Also we need to test some negative scenarios as well. So for the banking application, these types of the testing we should have to do. The next one is insurance domain. Here we will see the example of customer want to submit claim for dental bills. So here we have to verify the lots of things. First is user able to log in, dental claim option available or not, claim form open properly, mandatory fields validations work or not, that we have to test. Then user can enter claim amount correctly, claim amount should not exceed policy limit, that error validation also we have to test. Then fifth, user can upload dental bills documents in PDF or JPG format. Then sixth, file size type validation work. If the file size exceeds, then it should have to throw the error message. 7. Submit button work properly when we are filling all the details and clicking on the submit button, then it should have to show the claim submitted successfully message. Then ninth, claim ID, claim numbers should be generated. 10. Claim appears in my claim list, that we have to check in the my claim tab. 11. Claim status updated correctly, submitted, approved, rejected. So that flow also we have to check. And last one, user receives confirmation by using the SMS or by using the emails. So these types of the testing we have to do to give the defect-free and smooth experience to the end users. Now we will understand what happens if testing is not done. So first, if testing is not done, major bugs remain in the software and the first user itself get a bad experience. Second, the application becomes unstable and may crash or hang frequently, especially when multiple users use it at the same time. Then third, the software can give wrong output or incorrect calculation, like a banking app showing the wrong balance. User may face payment issue when money get deducted but transaction fails. There is a risk of data loss or a data getting stored incorrectly in the database. Without security testing, hacker can steal user data like a password and personal information. Customer complaints and negative review will increase on Play Store or App Store. The company will lose trust and rebuilding it becomes very difficult. User will stop using the app and move to competitors, causing revenue loss to the company. So that's why we have to do the software testing to avoid these ambiguities. Now we will understand manual versus automation testing. So in the manual, test cases are executed manually by tester. In the automation, test cases are executed using script or tool. In the manual testing, coding is not required. In the automation testing, coding knowledge is required. Manual testing execution is very slow because manually we have to do all these things. In the automation testing, just we have to execute the our automation script. That's why execution is fast. Then in manual testing, best for UI testing, exploratory testing, and new features. Automation testing is best for regression, repetitive testing. Manual testing needs more human efforts. Automation testing needs less human efforts after scripting. In manual testing, more chance of human errors, but in the automation testing, less chances of error. One script is stable. Manual testing not suitable for repeated test cases, and automation testing perfect for repeated test cases. Manual testing cost is low initially. Automation testing cost is high initially, tool plus framework setup. But everything is done, then manual testing efforts is very low. So in the today's session, we understand that why software testing is required and what is software testing. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the Software Testing by Guruji YouTube channel.